I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Audi from any screen. Click on the nav there on the top right hand side here of the buttons, and there you've got town, street, country. So we'll go to town. It also says zip, so we'll try the postcode, but I'm not sure it'll work. P R. Then we need to go to the numbers, so down to the numbers. 5 4 PR54. That looks like it's as far as it'll go, so we'll click on that. We're actually on Chorley Road, Waltley Dale, so it's Waltley Dale there. The street, Chorley. It'll default to Chorley Road soon, I think. There you go, Chorley Road. So it's defaulted to that, and end entry. So that's it. Start route guidance there. You see there. So it's on start route guidance.
Your
Click.
route is being calculated. Please leave the roundabout at the second exit.
So there you go. It's slightly older sat nav, so it's takes a little bit more time to program, and you can actually get to your exact destination, although it doesn't take you to the last two letters of the postcode. So we'll go back onto nav, see if we can cancel that. There you go, stop route guidance, so it don't keep butting in.